Hello everyone. Here we are going to discuss about the fertilization in humans. In humans, fertilization of sperm and ovum occurs in the anterior part of oviduct and zygote is formed. This question is very important, that where does the fertilization of sperm and ovum occurs? So it is anterior part of the oviduct. Let us understand this with the help of a diagram. Here you can see that this is the ovary and this is the oviducal funnel or the fimbriae. Children, this one is the fallopian tube, this tube-like structure. And here every stage is shown, that at which location what happens to the developing zygote. Now children, this one is the ovum. The ovum released from the ovary, that is ovulation. This ovum is catched up by the fimbriae and then the fertilization occurs inside the fallopian tube, inside the anterior part of the fallopian tube. You can see that this sperm is fusing with the ovum. Now the sperms enters to the vagina and the passage of the sperm is somewhat like this. So this is how the fusion between the sperm and ovum occurs in the anterior part of the oviduct or fallopian tube. Children, let's see the development of human embryo. The zygote starts dividing immediately after fertilization. And while moving or while descending to the oviduct, the zygote divides repeatedly and give rise to a ball of cells. These cells multiply and differentiate to develop into tissues, organs and organ system of the body. The developing structure is called as an embryo. Children, here you can see that this is ovulation, the ovum released, then this is fertilization process, then fertilized egg is dividing. Here you can see that this one is the first clevage, second 2-cell stage, 4-cell stage, 8-cell stage, and then it divides and become a ball of cells. Then this ball of cells implants itself in the wall of the uterus, means it gets embedded in the wall of the uterus. So children, let's see what is implantation. On reaching the uterus, the embryo attaches itself to the wall of the uterus by a tissue called as placenta, and this implanting of the embryo to the wall of the uterus is called as implantation. Suppose this is the wall of the uterus and this is the embryo. It implants itself in the wall. Here you can see the difference. This is the embryo, the ball of cells you can see here, and this is the wall of the uterus. Now here you can see that this has implanted itself in the uterus wall. Earlier the margin was here and here you can see that it is present here. So this is how it implants itself, and this process is called as implantation. Then the embryo is attached to the uterus with the help of a tissue called as placenta, and this placenta provides the nutrients and the oxygen from the mother's blood to the embryo, to the developing embryo, and it also takes the excretory products back. So this placenta is therefore called as the life support system of the fetus. Now children, the embryo continues to grow, it develops all its body parts, and women with embryo attached to the uterus wall is called as pregnant, and this condition is called as pregnancy. At the 2-month stage, the embryo starts resembling the human form and it is called as fetus. Here you can see the various stages of the embryo. The first month, the 2-month stage, the 3 months. Here you can see that it resembles human, so therefore it is now called as the fetus. Then the development and the growth of fetus is completed by the end of 280 days, that is 9 months, and the mother gives birth to a baby. So the full term of development of body of baby in the womb of female is called as gestation period. The act of giving birth to a baby is called as parturition. That is, delivering the baby is called as parturition. This was all about the reproduction in human beings. Thank you.